Yeah. One tip which nobody tells you when it comes to resume making. I've read enough articles. I've been in the business for 30 years. I must have seen 100,000 resumes. So you ask a recruiter, what do you look for? The number one thing you look for in the resume, and in fact, if resumes come printed resume, assuming 90% will be thrown this side, which is junk. 10% is shortlisted. What is the single factor which makes the difference? And this nobody will tell you. I'm telling you this because my experience of recruiter has taught me this. The word is customization. People who standard resumes throw it into Bay of Bengal. I always say, if you don't have the time and energy to understand what position are you applying for, which company you're applying for, rewriting the resume on what do you mean by rewriting the resume? If that role requires certain skills, it requires some experience. In the resume, that particular experience of you highlight it by bold facing it. Give you more space to write, reduce the other portion, increase that portion of this. So the customization of the resume means for that particular role, these skills and experience are important. I want to show in my resume, this I have. So that's the first part. The second part of the covering letter, you need to write three things. Why I am the right person. And when I am writing the person, I need to write from the standpoint of experience, from the standpoint of qualification. Most importantly, I have the right attitude to succeed in the job. So the covering letter is with reference to so on, so I'm sending my resume. This is not a covering letter. It's a stupid covering letter. The covering letter should attract me to say, oh, I must read this guy. So customization of the resume, the covering letter to every position. So there is nothing like a standard resume. Anybody calls a standard resume, you have to shoot yourself in the head. It's a disaster. Okay, so please customize your resume, and I have a simple ground rule for you. The amount of time you spend to make that resume for that particular position is the amount of time it will take for the other party to reject it. You understand? If you make 2 minutes resume, in 2 minutes it will get rejected. If you make 15 minutes, 1 hour to rewrite it, edit it, modify it, it will take a longer time for that person to reject it, which means you get shortlisted. So spend time making the customization. Thank you.